Getting dark. Yeah, thought I'd do the last video here. Provinces of ISAN, northern Thailand. It is getting dark, so this will be the last video, everyone. Northern Thailand, traveling throughout Asia. Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos, Thailand. Thailand living for 8 months. Now going to Surin, northern Thailand. So beautiful. It's getting very dark here. That'll be the last video, everyone. I don't want to get my head chopped off for my cell phone. Lost. Going at high speed in the train. There you go, everyone. Hope you enjoyed Lewis. Moving and traveling all throughout Asia. It's been over a year. I think it's been almost like a year and a half. All throughout Vietnam, 3 months. Cambodia, 3 months. Laos, Asia, 3 months. Thailand, 3 months. India, 3 months, and Nepal. Pretty much 3 months everywhere, all throughout Asia, Southeast Asia. Thailand, 8 months. India, Nepal, Philippines, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, and back to Thailand, everyone. Louis, Washington, D.C. This is the last video. These are the provinces of northern Thailand called ISAN. Surin, Buriram, Sisaket, Ubon Ratchatani. Surin is beautiful. Buriram, Korat Nakhon Ratchasima, Ratchasima, Nong Khai, Khon Ken, Kalasin. That's it, everyone. I'm out. It's getting dark. So that's the last video. Hope you enjoyed. On our way to Surin, everyone.